Today's recipe, forget the supermarket. We're gonna find the ingredients straight from Mother Nature. Or at least we're gonna try. We're gonna take you into the woods. Hopefully we get to find some mushrooms. Let's go. This is Emily.
Emily, aka Down to Forage.
So I don't know anything about mushrooms, but Emily out here, she's an expert, right?
I wouldn't call myself an expert.
She knows everything.
I don't know everything.
So you gotta watch till the end because she's gonna reveal you all her tricks,
Yeah.
all her secrets.
The main trick is just not to get too arrogant because you will die.
Did you ever get like poisoned?
No, because it's really important not to eat anything that you don't know what it is. It's kind of like a life or death situation.
Disclaimer, don't try this at home.
And then if you're in doubt, you throw it out. Basically, don't munch on a hunch.
How many of these you got?
Those are the best two. Or my favourite one actually is everything is edible once.
I know what you're thinking. This is London, it's winter. Are you gonna be able to find anything?
This would have been something we could potentially have eaten. Let's have a look. Could be something that we could eat. I mean, it's very, 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 very frozen. So it's very important when you're foraging mushrooms to check every single one. You cut them open, you look at how they stain.
These are turkey tails, guys.
They're a magic healing mushroom.
They taste bad or they
No, these are
poisonous?
poisonous. They got rusty spores.
I'm not sure we're actually gonna find something.
Judging from above, these are hedgehog mushrooms, which I love. You can pick them with our hands, just reach down and pick up the stipe. And as you can see, these have spines. So this is a prime edible. Yes, tastes like a girole, it's just got more texture. Hedgehog mushroom. They're quite often under the leaves. Proper.
Wow.
Guys, we're gonna be eating well. It's a little bit frozen, but nearly all forage mushrooms, you dry fry them before you add any butter or oil. So, shouldn't matter too much. That is a big boy. It's not always this easy, guys, though. I mean, we're really lucky.
You come here by yourself.
Yeah.
You feel safe.
As a woman, I never feel fully safe, but I don't let it stop me. Every time I see someone in the woods, I greet them, I say hi, and that is, well, one, because I'm friendly, but two, because if I do go missing, that person can put me at a location at a specific time. The girl in pink.
For sure
who
they're
said
gonna
hi.
remember you.
Yeah. Super soft. Not yummy.
No yummy.
This is the best.
Is it gonna be a shortcut or we're just gonna get lost?
It's a trooping funnel. You know how to identify them before you eat them. So these stems might be a little bit tough, but then I just dehydrate them and then I use them as stock. Smash that like button.
What you got?
So this is birch polypore. It's only a medicinal mushroom. It's not. Well, it's actually an antiseptic mushroom. So if you get cut in the woods, You can make a plaster from this mushroom, and it actually seals on your wound and heals it. So
Amazing.
this is one of the most ancient medicines.
Wow. Oh.
No, you'd be fine.
It looks so beautiful.
So it's almost lost all of the white dots. There's a little bug on it. Which would make it quite hard to identify, because then it would look like a rucola. So this is a lilac webcap, likely. It looked a little bit like a bluet, which is edible, but that is not edible.
Ooh, I found something.
Oh, that's some kind of bolete. Let's have a look. Looks like a bay bolete. I will examine it when we get home, but this is very likely a bay bolete, which actually tastes very similar to porcini. Good spot. Yes, yummy, yum, 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 yum. Honestly, can't really complain if you've got one of these. They're very, very, very similar to porcini. So some people say they're edible, some people say they don't. I choose not to eat them because they're said to have some toxins in. These are the ones that I said are purple.
Wow.
So you've obviously got to be very careful to make sure that you don't get the other ones, which are corteranius. They have a distinctive smell. I mean, I can just tell them from the look, but what do you think that smells like?
Lavender.
Lavender. People say orange juice, but I think these are common ruscals. Anyway, let's just not
Let's just not eat
let's
it.
not.
Cute.
Quite a catch. Look at this tree, Franci.
No, is it gnocchi?
Gnocchi.
Oh, it's the gno.
Gno.
Gnocchi.
No. No.
Gnocchi alla Romana.
A bit of nutmeg.
So can you just tell me, so you have to spoon out the... This is a forager's manicure. With most forage mushrooms, it's so important to dry fry them. The flavour is never as good if you use oil from the beginning. So what you do is you get your pan to about medium hot, put your mushrooms in, cook them for around 3 or 4 or 5 minutes until they release some of their natural water, which these are very waterlogged, so there's going to be loads. You cook them for a little bit longer, and then basically some of that evaporates, but some of it goes back into the mushroom. And then once most of that water's evaporated, that's when you add your oil, so you add your butter and your olive oil then.
The mushroom.
That looks so good. So this is some sage from my garden.
Ooh la la.
Wow. Ready to lose the roof of my trying.
Gnocchi alla romana. Alla romana.
Do I have to go? We have to share a spoon. Mmm.
Ma che te lo dica a fa?
Mmm.
It's good, huh?
Really good. Mmm.
Ah, you gonna eat it all?
Hey.
The crispy bits are really good.
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, smash the like button. Ciao.